Hey everybody, welcome back. On today's video, we are touring the biggest manufactured mobile home that we have ever toured on our channel. You guys, this is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 2 living room, gigantic manufactured home. And you heard that right, 4 bathrooms. The master bedroom has a enormous closet on it, a closet bigger than most people's bedrooms. Did I mention there's walk-in pantries? This house measures 32 by 80, coming in at 2,254 square feet. I'm going to have my wife take you guys on a full tour of the inside. Remember, all pricing and information will be at the end of the video. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We really do appreciate it.
Alright, so we are here in this home. This is the living room. This house, I'm telling you guys, has the wow factor. So as you can see, this is your dining and kitchen area. You got 8 stools, you got 8 drawers, 4 on the other side. A lot of kitchen cabinet space, man. Like, it's a very pretty home. You guys know how much I love my farm sinks. Nice windows. And then look at this stuff. I mean, you got a whole bunch of space in this kitchen. Really massive fridge. Microwave is in the wall here. But look at this open concept, guys. It is humongous. 9-foot tall ceilings. Drywall, tape and textured already. And look at this. We got ourselves our walk-in pantry. Beautiful coffee bar here. We're gonna take a look. This will be your back door. Laundry room, mud room. Got a cabinet there. Connections for washer dryer. Your AC. You guys, I can't get over the kitchen. Oh my goodness. Alright, so we're gonna go on this side. And this is a half bath over here. Very nice. You got trim all around the walls. And this here is your second living room. AC in the ceiling. Here you got a slider for out back. Very nice size. Let's just go to this corner real quick. Like, this is a humongous home. It's a 4-bed, 3.5 bath. Very nice. So here is one of the bedrooms. And as you can see over here, it has its own bathroom. So this is kind of like a secondary suite. Really nice, and that is a slightly bigger tub than your average. So let's take a look at this corner here. Like, it's a pretty big room, you guys. All right, and then comes with a nice little walk-in closet. I mean, it's not really that little. It's a very decent, good closet there. And then here is the other bath. Full bath. Nice cabinets. I always like my bathroom cabinets. Very nice bathroom here. Check this room out. It's actually pretty spacious, you guys. You got a nice window there. And then you got your own walk-in closet right here. Another good sized closet. And then right here is, I guess, the coat closet. You could do it. Coat closet, jackets, storage closet, whatever your mind would desire. Here is another bedroom. It's got its little corner closet there. Nice window. Now Now this home has drywall. It's already taped and textured. It's got trim on the floor, trim on the ceiling. It's a very nice home. And I will mention you guys the price at the end. So now we're gonna go. I can't get over this kitchen. It's beautiful. So we're going to the best part here. It's the master. Get your own little hallway. So it's a very good size room. Definitely can fit king right there in the middle. Got your 2 windows there. Beautiful fan. Got a little corner. You could probably put like a little desk or a dresser in there. But I mean, it's a very good size room. Very good size, very generous. Like the floor plan for this room is amazing. And master bath. You got 2 sinks, nice square sinks. Beautiful. Oh wait, I didn't even see that part. Oh, that is cute. I love my farm door stuff. I do. Got lots of cabinets, drawers. This nice big Mac Daddy shower here with 2 shower heads. Like, come on, this is nice. Very nice. You got your tub, got your toilet, cabinets for towels, toiletries, and bam, closet. Master closet. Like, this is definitely a master closet. I mean, you get your own big window here. This is humongous. Like, this is huge, guys. At the other corner, put your own little sitting stool and everything, and put your shoes on, girls. That's a very nice house. All right, now here's the kicker. Price for this particular home is $199,000. Okay, it's $199,000 for this home. And I mean, I can see why. I mean, it's a very, very spacious home. It's 4 bed, 3.5 bath. It's a lot of space. It's a lot of cute factors. Like, it's gorgeous. I do love this house.
So the cost of this home is $199,000. That is at the time of recording, and that price includes delivery, setup, steps, skirting, and AC. Now, y'all, I know you're wondering who builds this home. It's built by Scott Built Homes. Now, they are also owned by Champion Home Builders now. I'm going to leave all that contact information in the description so you guys can head on over there and check them out. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.